Hey Triple Crew, it's ibyl, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I created this style. Stay tuned for the details. I stumbled upon this style because I wanted to put on this top, and this fabric is seems like wool, and I know that if my hair was touching it, it'll probably be getting this color in my locks, and I try to do whatever I can to avoid lint getting in my locks. So at first I put my hair up as high as I could, but you know it's pretty long, so it was still touching my shoulders. And so I was like, what can I do? And I was like, well, I'm gonna try to do a bun, but I was crunching on time. I was short on time, so bun was gonna take more work than I had time for. So I said, what can I do? And so I came up with this style. And along the way, I'm gonna show you some other possibilities for if you don't have a Loc Soc. And if you want more information about how to get a Loc Soc, check the information box below, as well as check out my video for other ideas for rocking the Loc Soc. And yeah, if you haven't already, press the subscribe button, thumbs up, comment below, even if it's just to say, hey, what's up, ibyl, and follow me across all social media: Instagram, ibyl, Facebook, ibyl09, Twitter, ibyl, and of course here, youtube.com/ibyl. If you're here, then you already know how to contact me here. Yeah. All right, so what I use is my hair tie, and I usually clip my clip in here so that when I'm doing my ponytail, I can just put it around my ponytail versus having to wrap around. And I have a second one as well. And then I have my Loc Soc. All right, so I'm just going to move my hair towards the front. I'm going to put my ponytail as high as I can. All right, as high as I can, but not too tight. Then I just move that back. Make sure it is how I want it. All right, so if you don't have a Loc Soc, you can have it like this and then use your hair tie. For the bottom, and then you simply tuck your hair under, and you know, you rearrange for if you have any stragglers. All right, that's likely going to move about. Oops. So you can put a hairpin, and I use the longer ones. Forgot to say you can have a hairpin for this style. Sorry. I would come in here without my hairpins. All right. So I have the long bobby pins that are closed, and then I have the open hairpins. So you just position them how you see fit. just to keep it from coming up. The time of filming this video, it's April, and you see I have on a turtleneck because we got some cold weather. I live in the South. We got some cold weather, and a little bit of flurries, snow flurries, surprisingly in April when it's supposed to be spring. All right, so this is the look, and that's with it pinned. And I only use 3 hairpins, and it's pretty sturdy. So I'm gonna take those out because I don't need them when I use the Loc Soc. My all-time favorite bobby pin is this one. Like, you can hold a lot of hair there and it doesn't hurt your head either. All right, so similar to what I just did, I'm going to take this off just to reposition some things. All right, so still have my clip on there, or my hair clipped. And I'm going to go ahead and put my Loc Soc around my hair. There we go. So I have the logo in the front, but actually how I wear it, you don't really see the logo because it's kind of scrunched up. All right, so of course if you want to wear your hair down and you don't have on the top that it could pick up length, you can wear it down. Just position your hair. But I'm going to put it up. So I'm going to take the hair and gather it together towards the end. Make sure I have all of it in. Wrap it twice. All right, and then I'm going to tuck it under like I did earlier. But this time, I will be using the Loc Soc to secure it instead of a hairpin or bobby pin. And you can just adjust it as you see fit, but that is it. All right, also, I love this because I have not gotten my undercut recut or redesigned, so it looks really kinky back there. So if I wear it like this, you cannot see my undercut. And that way I can have my hair up, but I'm not showing my undercut because I don't want to right now. I can push this back a little bit, but I notice if I push this back, then this rises up, so I may just have it forward. But you adjust as you see fit, however it works for you. But I just want to come on and share with you all how I did that. I hope this video has been informative for you and you will try this style, especially if you have a what is this? A lock? Yeah, especially if you have a Loc Soc. Leave me some comments and I will see your beautiful faces in the next video. Peace.